I'm greeting you, dear traders, and you're watching the daily market review with me, financial analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey Lin. And our daily heading is dedicated, as traditional, to technical analysis of forex majors. And let's start our review from the first pair. It will be analysis of euro and US dollar. So, Monday's low at 1.3033 remains vulnerable. As a setback from Tuesday's 1.3145, high threatens a full retracement. A push below support at 1.3054 is required to bring the 1.3033 low back into focus, and the medium-term bull support line is expected to buckle, creating additional downside risk to the 1.2900 and 09 area. Euro bulls need to force the break above 1.3145 in order to leave the tone, but overhead resistance at 1.3216 provides the limit for corrective upside scope. Weekly chart of euro and US dollar trend is range. Intraday analysis of US dollar and Japanese yen. Tuesday's weakness warrants of more downside risk towards 79.90. However, Ichimoku cloud support at 79.90 on the daily chart suggests downside risk is limited at this stage. Regaining ground above the 81.19 and 81.30 resistance area is required to lift the tone, opening the pivotal 81.75 level once more. And weekly chart of US dollar and Japanese yen trend is range. Next pair, intraday analysis of Great Britain pound and US dollar. The setback from Tuesday's high at 1.5931 will look to renew pressure on last week's low at 1.5805. Last week's bearish engulfing candle suggests Great Britain pound bears have regained control, and a break below 1.5805 would essentially confirm the April 2nd reaction high at 1.6062 as a Great Britain pound bull failure, exposing 1.5770 and 1.5745. Only a sustained break above 1.5931 would question the Great Britain pound bearish outlook, opening 1.6000. Yes, and weekly chart of Great Britain pound and US dollar trend is range. Next pair, intraday analysis of US dollar and Swiss franc. The recovery of Tuesday's marginal low at 0.9146 will look to renew pressure on last week's high at 0.9222. Last week's bullish outside week puts US dollar bulls in control of their underlying tone, and these bulls will only strengthen the April 2nd reaction low at 0.9002 once the 0.9222 high has been broken. A setback below 0.9146 would create additional downside risk towards 0.9070. Weekly chart of US dollar and Swiss franc trend is bullish. Next pair and last pair for today will be Australian dollar and US dollar analysis. Let's see what I have here. More Australian dollar weakness to the 1.0210. Target is on the cards. Following Tuesday's bearish outside day, the 1.0210 target is a minimum downside requirement, and the powerful medium-term downtrend has scoped to the 1.0040 and 52 area and concerted weakness. A recovery above Tuesday's high at 1.0358 would lift the tone, although only a move above projected resistance at 1.0386 would question the Australian dollar bearish outlook. Weekly chart of Australian dollar and US dollar trend is bearish. Yes, my dear traders, that's all for today. It was me in studio financial analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey Lin. For more additional information, you can only visit our website www.grandcapital.net. There you will find a lot of analysis and additional information. I wish you the fair trends and goodbye and good luck.